So the problem is binary tree in order traversal. Given the root of binary tree, we have to return the in order traversal of the tree. So the tree is 1, null, 2 and 3. The in order traversal will be 1, 3 and 2. Let's understand the approach. In order traversal. In order traversal, we will first check the left, then the root, then right. So in order traversal, for this we will make a magic function which will contain a root. Then we will check left. So magic of root ka left. So this is our root. It will go to left. As this is check, this will again go to main function. This become the root, and as this become the root, it will go to here. This will be checked. As this is checked, this will again call this, and this will call this. But this is, as this is null, so this is null, root ka null. So we will have to check root. If null, return nothing. So this will return nothing. As this is exhausted, we will have to return this value. So we will put the value in v vector. So v dot push that root ka value. So as root ka value is checked, we will have to check the right of this. So call magic root right. As root right is called, it will go to here. As this is already exhausted and it is written up, it will call this, but this is null, so it will backtrack and go up to here. So as this is exhausted, this will return the value. So first 4 is going to return, then 2. As this is written, this will call this root right, so it will go to root ka right. So again this will call the left, means null. As null is written nothing, this will push. As null return nothing, this will call this, so 5. So again root ka right, so root ka right is null, so this will return nothing. Again this will call. As this is exhausted, it will backtrack. As the root left and right is both are exhausted, it will be backtrack to 1. So as root ka left is exhausted, it will go to this, so we will return this. Again root ka right. As root ka right is called, it will check it is null, it is not null, so it will go to left. And 3 ka left is null, it will return nothing, so this will be the next step. This will return 3 and this will go to its right. So right will call magic function again, this will check its left, and it is null, so it will return nothing, so v dot push back, so 6. And again it will call the right is null, so it will return nothing. So this is our in order traversal. So let's code it. So after understanding the approach, let's code it. So first of all, make a vector int, because we have to return the answer in a vector format. So after that, we will call a magic function. In this, we will pass root and the vector. And as the answer will be stored in a root, so we will return the vector, because the answer will be stored in the vector. So we will call the function magic function which contains a vector if root is equals to null, then we will return nothing. Because this is a void function, we have to return nothing over here. Let's call a magic function for the left part. After the left is completed, we have to push the value of the root. And call the right part after pushing the value. So let's run it. It passed all the test cases. So submit it. It is successfully submitted.